Heidi ho, all you lovely darlings out there. I'm going to get some hate for this coin because it's a 2016 50 pence Peter Rabbit. They're not that rare. Well, a couple of quid, I suppose. So, what happened in 2016? Well, it was a bad year for the music industry. David Bowie died. Pence was found dead at home. He was only 57. Terrorists killed 35 people in 3 coordinated suicide bombings in March in Brussels. And the world's longest tunnel in Switzerland was unveiled. And the project took decades to complete. There you go. Perhaps I might drop it a third time if I'm lucky. Let's do it. Yeah, I dropped it 3 times. Right. First of all, we're going to punch a hole in it. And we're going to obviously go. It's going to be sunny side up of the ring. I want to use a 1/2 inch punch. If I get the lid on. Hope everybody's doing great. Mr. Wonderful himself is absolutely doing fantastic. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha and have a little play with her, shall we? There she is, looking gorgeous as ever. If you're new to the channel, how about subscribing? It's free, costs you nothing. There's no obligation. There's nothing, costs you nothing. And I'll tell you what it will do. It'll help my channel out. Right. Oh dear, look. Looks a daisy. It's the next day. Like, obviously, didn't put the lid on, did I? It's still on the floor somewhere. But I will find it before all this stuff goes hard in the tube. Right. Okie dokie. We don't need that anymore, do we? But we need a bit of Christy Burr. You just want to clean the edge up, make sure it's nice and clean. No scratches or cuts or anything like that. Yeah, I wasn't a big fan of David Bowie in his later years, you know. But his early stuff, Ziggy. Wow. Suffragette City, Spiders from Mars. A bit as loud as you can get away with it. And then a bit louder. I still listen to that now, Suffragette City. Well, I still listen to a lot of early Bowie stuff, you know. Prince did some good stuff. Raspberry Beret is one of my favourite songs by Prince. Right. So, let's show it some love and affection with Bernie. If we can get this thing to light. It's going to bite me on it. There you go. I mean, it would be best to use oil instead of water for your annealing, but the smoke and the smell, the smoke would set off my fire alarms, and but it does the job, you know. Right, let's break out my little doming block. So we're going to go this sunny side up on the ring. That goes face down. Clever stuff, isn't it? I'm not too sure if these sort of self-center, these doming blocks. I'll nip over to Big Red. Give it a bit of the old 1-2. 1-2. And then we want a 17-degree folding die. Is this one any good? That'll do. Let's give that a little bit of a clean out. It's looking a bit sad in there. That's better. Bit of Luby-Loo. I use coconut oil, but you can use, I suppose, use anything really, can't you? As long as it's slippery when wet. Hey. I think that's good enough. I should get I should get a fibre one of these. I will be getting one. You've got less chance of damaging the coin inside. But I don't go all the way, so let's break out. I just want to clean the edge up, make sure it's nice and clean, free from any cracks forming or there you go, beautiful. I might be able to get a couple of pumps out of Spike before I have to knead it again. This is Spike and he's a ring stretcher. You guessed it, he stretches your ring. Here we go. I'm laughing again. I've only been doing this for a year. Jesus, sweat, man, I still keep laughing at it. It's fun, isn't it? Right. So, you got any gossip to tell me? Is there anything you'd like me to make? Or anything you want to know? Right, I think we're going to have to warm it up again. I think. How's it looking? Yeah, it's still got a bit of a bow in it. I'm going to show it a bit more love, I think. Right. I like 50p coin rings, they look good. I saw a couple on the market the other day. This guy from the States, he bought a 2-shilling coin ring. Right, now I'll have another bit of kitchen roll, shall we? Let's go crazy. You drive me crazy. I don't like that song, but it just comes in my head sometimes. Right, there you go. Yeah, a bit more. Just want to get that bow out of it. Right, how's it looking now? See? No bow. I'll get some white. It's more cone shaped now. See that? It's fascinating, isn't it? Alright. We'll go to the arse end of Spike. And we'll put a little bit of Luby-Loo in there. Oh, that makes some more bloody earrings. I saw quite a few the other day. Make sure it's nice and square. I cut my finger the other day. I keep opening it up all the time. It looks terrible when you're in the market trying to put something in a bag and there's blood coming out your bloody finger. I do put a plaster on it, but after a few days you take it off and then you catch it again and it opens up again. Look at that. Damn gorgeous. Right. This is where we just want to cut that lip out. A little bit of a lip there. Sounds like a bike I used to ride back in the day. Right. I never had good bikes. My dad never had no money. But I still had a bike. I had loads of friends who used to go out. We used to peg playing cards to the back sort of rail, and they used to get caught in the spokes. It used to make a lovely sound. There's about 15 of us kids running around Ilford when I was living there. You get Saturday morning pictures for sixpence at the Odeon at Gants Hill. Sixpence. Bloody sixpence. Now they don't do nothing for the kids, you know. No one cares anymore about nothing. Right. Except me. I care about things. Right. This is the one and only Kate. We just want to clean it up, get that fire scale off. And clean up that cut edge. It's a 50p, don't really clean up that good with the Christy burr. And that's looking better. Right, let's take out Kate and stick in Felton John. Is this all hard in here now? No. I will find the lid for the next video, I promise. But you know me by now, I'm just a mess. But that's me, and I'm quite happy being a mess. Ouch. Get a bit warm. So, yeah, I'd just like to thank you all for sticking with me, subscribing and liking and disliking. I know for a fact one person's going to dislike this because he always dislikes my English coins, which is fair enough, you know. Yeah, like I said, if you ain't subscribed, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner, hit it. Stuff happens. Ouch. That's come up really good. Clean off the mingers. And we'll get out the Green Goddess. Right. Oh yeah. Beautiful. So, what I want you to do after this video is go YouTube and find David Bowie, Suffragette City, and play it really loud. Sit back and enjoy it. And Prince, Raspberry Beret, it's a good track. Well, he did quite a lot of stuff. I mean, you know, it wasn't rock and roll, but... Right, what we got? Look at that. Ain't that sexy? Peter Rabbit, he's got his ears there. His ears are still there. That's why I use the kitchen roll. I'll get slagged off a bit for this one, but hey. You can't please everybody, you know. Right, and you always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but what we got? This is a size Oh, it's a size 11-ish, nearly 11. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Thanks for your support, thanks for your love, thanks for your comments, thanks for everything. Don't forget to hit the like button, the dislike button, and when you go out, make sure the door's closed properly, okay? And the gas is turned off. Okay, keep smiling, have a great day, be safe, and catch you on the next one, God willing. So bye.